This is MG Windsor EV, India's first intelligent CUV. It's priced at 9.9 lakh rupees with BAS program, which is basically a battery subscription plan by MG. Let's quickly unravel this today and see what's the range, the tech used in this, and if this is worth your money or not. So सबसे पहले फ्रंट से स्टार्ट करते हैं. You can find white toned DRLs, sequential headlamps and tail lamps along with fog lamps. Also इसमें आपको illuminated MG logo भी मिलता है, which looks very nice in the night time as well.
If we talk about the side profile of Windsor EV, as you can see in front of me, 18-inch के इसमें wheels हैं, थोड़े से different हैं, cool लग रहे हैं alloy wheels. And if we talk about the doors also, then when you open it, automatically आ जाते हैं. This is like this, but this could be a security hazard also, because if you're sitting in the car and your car is unlocked, then anyone can open it from outside. Anyway, anyone can open your other car also, but this like basically tells them that the car is unlocked. MG Windsor EV has the biggest boot I've seen in a long time. This is a 604-liter boot. We'll take a closer look also. अभी we have basically हमने पीछे की सीट्स को आगे की तरफ थोड़ा सीधा स्ट्रेट कर रखा है. सीट्स भी रिक्लाइन होती है 135 डिग्रीज, बट सी दिस स्पेस हियर, 604 liters. You have a lot of space here. So easily spare tire spaces as well. So यहाँ पर you can manage like 2 to 3 big bags, and I think that's good enough. So when you sit in this car for the first time, जो पहला आपको culture shock लगेगा वो ये होगा कि यहाँ पर आपको there is no wiring system or no gearbox here. Generally जैसे हम लोग कार में देखते हैं, it has a proper reverse neutral drive का. यहाँ पर जैसे हमको गाड़ियों में indicators के लिए एक button मिलता है, you don't get a proper dial here, you get the button here. So you have to access reverse, neutral and drive mode from here, which is a little tricky because if you have been driving car since years or maybe a decade or something, your mind is basically hardwired to drive like that, and आपका हाथ बार बार यहाँ जाएगा and थोड़ा सा टाइम लगेगा उसको करने में, adjust करने में, but this is also easier and very comfortable. So after sitting in the car, I can definitely say that it is a very tech-oriented car. And also space-wise, as you can see, even though the car looks very small, if you enter in the car, you'll definitely feel very spacious, even in the front and at the back. I was just keeping my back and I just saw how much space is there in the rear. Let's first talk about the first half of the car, that is the front of the car. So let's quickly start with the screen and what type of tech I'm talking about here. Looking at the front of the car, as you can see in front of me, यहाँ पर काफी ज़्यादा space है due to the style of the car, the build of the car. But the main feature of this car is basically this huge screen that we have, humongous 15-inch, over 15-inch big screen. That's because a lot of features in the car are accessible through this screen only. So basically MG has integrated everything inside the screen so that आपको इधर उधर buttons ना ढूंढने पड़े. They do have some basic buttons right here. As you can see, यहाँ पर पूरा AC settings and everything you have right here. But they have kept the whole look quite minimalistic in terms of buttons and features. That doesn't mean that the features are not present here. Everything you can find on the screen. Sunroof open करनी है, music, Bluetooth, media, AC, device management, anything you want to do, you can access from here. Even your vehicle settings, anything you want to do right here on the screen. So this is the basic screen that we have right here. From here you can access Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, cabin mode, theme store, your battery range, everything you can see here right now. We can see 230 kilometers of range left and battery is 72%. We started at 99%, and at that time we could see the range around like 300 and 304 kilometers. You can also access everything related to the AC controls right here, your radio, music, and everything is right here. So let's open the 360-degree camera right here, which will basically help you drive, park better. Considering city traffic and everything, it would be very easy for you to access your car. आप कहीं पे भी park कर रहे हो, कुछ भी आपको नहीं समझ आ रहा है कि जगह है नहीं है, since the display is so big, it will be easier for you to basically see your surroundings very easily while driving also. So here you can see we have different angles right here. Then you go to the 2D option, 3D option, then we have all the options for different surroundings, and you can see your car in 3D mode as well. So after this laptop sized screen, let's come to the smaller cluster, which is the instrument cluster. Here you can see everything related to your car, your speed, your battery life, your range, and also your टायर प्रेशर्स as well. And you can obviously see कि आपका कौन सा मोड चल रहा है, इको प्लस चल रहा है, इको चल रहा है, स्पोर्ट्स मोड्स and everything related to your driving is present right here. One more shocker that you will get in this car is that there is no parking brake, handbrake right here. It is right here. So यहाँ से access है. Of course, this is also different, but I feel it's not uncomfortable for the driver. It's also accessible and easily आपको थोड़ी wiring करनी पड़ेगी अपनी brain की कि यहाँ नहीं है, यहाँ है. So whether we talk about the center console, or we talk about the dashboard, or even the steering or the seats, everything, every material that has been used in this car looks premium. I don't know whether the quality is premium or not, but it looks very premium. Definitely, it's a different type of theme, a little bit of woodish type of theme, and with that we have a little bit of even the plastic. If you see closely, plastic is not a bad quality plastic. It looks nice and it feels nice also, and especially if I talk about the seating also, it's very, very, very comfortable, very soft, very comfortable to sit on. And if the steering wheel, if we talk about the steering wheel also, steering wheel is also very nice. The stitching, everything, the detailing of the interiors are pretty good. So this one comes with a 38 kWh battery pack, and trust me, you have a lot of charging points here. Let me just show you. First, यहाँ पर आपको handrest के नीचे space मिलेगा, and with the space you can also see यहाँ पर 12 volt का charging point है. Along with that, if we move towards the front, I'll just show you. Here you can see my phone is here. You have a wireless charger as well. Now, moving here, since we don't have any gearbox here, anything here, we have a cup holder space here where you can keep 2 to 3 cups, and comfortably you can keep your stuff as well. Now, we will move towards the central console का नीचे वाला part. यहाँ पर भी also you're getting a lot of space. यहाँ पर you get a USB port and a Type-C port as well, and a lot of space to keep your stuff, your wires, anything you want to keep as well. If we talk about music quality, the speakers are really good. There is a seamless connectivity. If we talk about Apple CarPlay also, Android also, and normal Bluetooth connectivity is also great. Everything is very easy to access, and since this is a very big screen, easily आपको सारे options, सारे features मिल जाएंगे. And genuinely, the quality of the music, speakers and everything is really great, because we played it like at half the volume and it was really amazing. And I am a music freak and I know what good speaker sounds like. In the steering wheel, you get a few features, volume up, down, changing your songs, voice connectivity. But along with that, a very special feature is also there in the steering wheel, is where you can basically adjust your mirrors left and right, your rear view mirrors, through this button right here. So let me just show you. Generally we get these buttons here, but they have used the steering wheel as well. So यहाँ से हम इसको properly adjust कर सकते हैं. So you must be wondering, what is this? So basically this is inside Windsor EV. As you can see, we have reclined both the front seats and पूरा almost flat. You can see हो गई है seats, and even in the back you get 135 degrees reclining option. So even the back passengers, after reclining, can have a lot of fun. They can relax, and this is also a lot of space. I think if people are tired, they want to just lie down for a few minutes and take rest, this is an option. Looks like a recliner sofa now, and even the quality of the upholstery is very nice and very comfortable. So comfort wise, Windsor EV 5 on 5. So just imagine you are traveling somewhere far and you're very tired and you're sitting in the back of Windsor EV. So how will be your experience? 135 degrees reclining seats for the back passengers, both sides, and then you have cup holders right here with an armrest and a lot of space here to just lounge around and relax on your long trip as well. So this is the glass roof that we have in the car, and it is massive. Trust me, it is massive, and it adds so much to the car in terms of light, in terms of space and volume. It really looks amazing, and you can also adjust this shade कि आपको कितना चाहिए, यहाँ पे close करना, यहाँ close करना, everything you can access from the screen itself. So it is amazing, and I think it is a great addition to this car. So let's also talk about the range and the power and torque of this car. Basically, we started at 99%, and at that time, the car was showing us around 304 kilometers of range. Right now, we are at 69%, and we have the range as 219 kilometers. Now, as per MG, this one gives a 331 kilometers of range. So, वो तो सब depend करता है आप किस हिसाब से चला रहे हो, कौन से modes पे चला रहे हो और आपकी usage कैसी है. But I think on an average आपको 250 से 300 के बीच में full charge पे range मिल जाएगी. And if we talk about the power of the car, then max power is 136 PS. That is around 134 point something bhp. And if we talk about the torque, 200 Nm is the maximum torque. So when it comes to the driving experience, I feel that it is perfect for city rides. As you can see, हम लोग traffic में हैं, and the handling of the car is very smooth. In fact, I showed you earlier also कि ये literally आप ऐसे ऐसे करके भी चला सकते हो, इतना easy है. Not that I'm promoting that, but that shows how comfortable the ride is and how sturdy the steering wheel is. And in fact, in traffic, most of us get tired कि यार गाड़ी चलानी है, tiring हो जाता है. But this actually gives you a very, very good experience in terms of driving, even if you're stuck in traffic. It's very comfortable and smooth. Along with that, even if you're driving, we have a lot of potholes also that we can test on. And we did go through a lot of potholes, and the suspension, the car literally stood out. We could feel the bumps, but it was very comfortable, very smooth. I genuinely feel for this price range, this is a banger. So this one approximately took 11 seconds to go from 0 to 100. हमने इसको maximum 145 की speed पे test किया, and as we discussed earlier, it is a very sturdy car. We could feel the control. How do you like the MG Windsor EV? Do let us know in the comments below. Thank you so much. We'll see you in next video.